Hello and welcome to Dave's Supercars, and today I have some new speakers I'm going to install onto my 2015 Subaru WRX STI. These are kicker speakers and I got them on eBay. I'll put the price in the video here now. I got a full set, so front and rears, and I also bought additional kicker speakers. All direct replacements, so in theory it should be just plug and play and it should be quite easy to fit. But sometimes things don't always go to plan, so let's check it out. Okay, so before I start, I'm just going to show you the tools I need. I need a Phillips screwdriver. I need a small flathead screwdriver just to take the plastic grommets out so I can access these two Phillips screws here. And then a small Phillips screwdriver so I can access the tweeter screws because they're up behind the, or close to the glass, the windscreen, so you need a small one. In theory, that's all I should need. So having a look here, you can see that we just need to remove this little plastic grommet here that's covering this. Yeah, that'll access that screw, Phillips screw, and this one actually, the little cover has been broken, so no need to remove that. So I'm going to take out those screws and then we'll carry on. And now, all I need to do is pull the door card off the door. Try and get someplace to grip. There we go. Once you get one, the rest come out. Okay, lift it off. There we go. I'm just going to prop the door card there. No need, in theory, to remove any of the wires for the window or even the cable for the door handle. You can just sit there, and now I can access the wire. I've already come across a problem though. These are not original speakers. These are, looks like Kenwood. Yeah, they're Kenwood. Another problem is they haven't used the original fittings. They have yeah, they've used some tape and they've just taped the wires together. So not going to be as easy as it should be. Should be just plug and play at this stage. So now I'm going to have to remove the speaker and I'm going to have to rewire the new speakers separately myself. Oh well, let's get on to it. Okay, first things first, going to take off this plastic. So much wire. I'm just thinking I might need that excess wire. So for the new speaker, so I'm going to leave that and I'm going to cut the new speaker here. Boom. That's that done. It's always good to have a bit of extra length. We're not going to use the speaker, so we're going to throw it away. Remove these two screws. Looks like they've screwed another screw in. There you go. All right, gone. Okay, here's a new speaker, kicker speaker. Shows it which way is up and all. Or I should be able to just fit it and plug and play, but because somebody's already tampered with the original fitting, I'm going to have to cut this and join it myself. So just going to give myself a bit more extra cable there. I'm going to cut this off. Again, shouldn't have to do this, but it is what it is. It's gone. This spicy wire, cutting spicy spice, I recommend that. This one. Two. This in here. Anyway, you can see the different colours here. Got the black and the grey, and then the full grey, so I know which wires to join up. Right. Just place them in here. Okay. Now, I'm going to fit the speaker like that. I have to say, I'm a little disappointed that they're not the original speakers that were in it, because that would have been such an easy job. It would have taken me maybe 5-10 minutes total, but it is what it is. We'll tighten that up, and now we'll join these wires together. So the grey with the black strip and the red with the black strip. Yeah, I know there'll be people saying that's not the best way to join wires. I agree, but it will do the trick. They're only speaker wires. So I'm basically copying what the guy did before. Not ideal, but I've done this a lot throughout my time, modifying and changing things on cars, and with regards to speakers, there's no issue with doing this. A little bit of tape. So that's the speaker fitted and wired. Yes, there's better ways of wiring speakers besides just twisting them and using some tape. I know that, but again, I don't have a soldering iron here at the moment. I could get those little heat shrink joiners as well. All good. I just don't have access to it, and I've wired enough speakers in my lifetime to know that this is fine and I'm not going to have any issues with it. So it's done. Time to put the door card back. All right, now time for the rear. Same principle. Remove these two grommets, and then remove the two screws here. Pull out the door panel card. Yeah, and we'll see if these are original or whether they've been replaced as well. I'm hoping for original. Okay, so the door card is off. I just disconnected the electric window connector here just to get that door card out of the way a bit more. And these are original, these were not replaced, so that is very good news. This is going to be very easy now. Pop it out. Yeah, little clip. Done. Okay, here's a new speaker. Like I said, simple plug and play this time, which is awesome. There we go. And this side is up. In we go. Let's see. Back in with the screws. Oh, this is so much easier than the front. That's what you get when other people start messing with the car. Yeah, and it's non-standard. Okay, so that's the front and the rear. Right hand side speakers done, just the other two to go, and that's it. I'll show you how to replace the tweeters in the front as well now. I've already done it, so I'll just show you how to access it. It's so simple, it literally took me 2 minutes. Okay, so now looking at the tweeters, all you need to do for this is just pop this little cover off, and that'll be done quite easily, just like that. Yeah, so again, this one is just little guides at the front, and then you push it down to go back. There you go, 2 little screws. Yeah, just need your small screwdriver to go in there. Again, it's plug and play, and that's it. Job is done. Once you do that, put the cover back. Boom, sorted. So that's the end of this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.